Hello there everyone, Al here recording this video just to show you how to do a few things that will speed up your computer's performance. We'll start with the simple things. Go to the Start menu button, right click on it, Control Panel, and go where it says Network and Internet and press where it says View Network Status and Tasks. You go down to where it says Internet Options, and from here you want to delete temporary files, history, cookies, saved passwords, and web form information. Okay, and don't worry about your passwords. Once you click on delete here, it'll give you the option of deleting what you want to delete. Okay. Usually the things that you're concerned with are temporary internet files and web site files, cookies, and the history. You could check the password and the rest of them if you want to delete everything. Okay, but these are the major things you're concerned with. Click delete. I'll delete so quick, depending on how many things you have on your computer. Okay, now we close that. And one other thing that might affect your computer's performance is having more than one virus software. I usually use Windows Firewall, and this is the way to turn it on. If it's not, you just click here where it says turn on Windows Firewall on both. And what I do is I have it here pinned to my computer, and I usually do an update kind of daily. I already did this. This usually goes quick. Update it, and once I do the update, I do a full scan, and this will take a while, but it will not affect anything. You could minimize it and it'll do it in the background. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is doing some maintenance on your computer. You go to Control Panel and click where it says Find and Fix Problems and Run Maintenance Tasks. And here what it does is it'll find and clean up unused files and shortcuts and perform maintenance tasks. Click Next. Okay, you want to do it as an administrator. This will take a couple of minutes also, depending on how often you do this. It's advised to do it like once every couple of weeks or so. Okay, nothing is necessary because I do it all the time, so depending on how often you do this, you might get a message similar to mine if you do that all the time. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is the startup menu. Again, from this your Windows menu there, you go to Task Manager, and you will go where it says Startup. And here, please do not disable anything unless if you're sure that it does not affect your computer performance or it does not cause a malfunction for your computer. Like, for example, I know that Skype, if I disable that, it's not going to affect the computer because the computer will run still perfectly without Skype starting up. But like other stuff like this, I'm not so sure, so I leave it enabled. And these things too, I'm not sure what they do, so I wouldn't mess with them. So only disable things that that the computer doesn't need to run properly. Okay, and believe me, the more startup programs that you have, the slower your computer will go. And so all this stuff, and this does not affect anything. You could still use Skype. Once you click on Skype, it'll start and you could still use it. But this way, when you disable it from here, it will not keep running in the background while you're not using it. Okay, so this will improve your computer's performance a lot also, by eliminating all these startup programs that you do not use all the time. Okay, one more thing that you want to look into is deleting all these programs that you have downloaded and you don't use, or that came with the computers. You could go to a control panel, uninstall a program, and anything from this list that you do not use, you can delete, but just make sure that you do not delete any programs that your computer needs to run properly. Okay, I basically deleted most of the stuff that I don't need. Customer Connect. These things I downloaded myself and I know I use them. That's why I'm not deleting anything. So just look at what you have and see what you need and what you don't need, and by deleting the ones that you're not using, you're freeing up space on your hard drive, and believe me, that goes a long way in having your computer run faster and smoother. Okay, one more thing you can do is set your computer to work at for best performance, and you do so by going to the Windows menu here, right click on it and go to System, and from System you hit Advanced System Settings, and you are in the Advanced Settings, and you just click on Settings here, and the default for this is it'll say let Windows choose what's best for my computer. My computer is running fine, so I'm going to leave it at that, but if you move it to adjust for best performance, okay, it'll help your computer speed up a little bit. Once you click that, you'll have to hit apply here, but as I said, mine is doing okay, so I don't need to do this step. Okay, from this menu also, Windows 10 is different from previous Windows versions, as when you do the restore or the system protection thing, now it comes as set to off, and you want to turn it on. Configure, you want to turn on. By enabling system protection, you can undo undesired changes by reverting your computer to a previous point in time, which is a great tool, and I advise everyone to do this whenever you do anything to your computer or download anything that you're not sure if it's going to cause any damage or any malfunction to your computer. It's advised to create a system restore point, and you cannot do that with the system protection turned off, so you have to turn it on and click apply. Okay, and as you can see now it says on, and once you turn it on, now you could create a restore point. You just give it a name, whatever you want, and you click create, and you do this usually before you download or make any changes to your computer, because in case anything goes wrong, you could always go back to that restore point, and your computer will be set to the point right before you made these changes to it, and any malfunction or anything that went wrong with the computer will go away, and also whatever you downloaded will not be there anymore. Okay, the last thing I want to talk about is, actually, after doing all these steps, what you got to do is empty the recycle bin, because even though you delete whatever you deleted, they're still on your computer, and unless you do that, you want to permanently delete these things, and you click yes, they would still occupy space on your computer, so you would have to empty your recycle bin to get rid of whatever you deleted. Okay, that's it. These few steps will go a long way in speeding your computer. I hope that this would be helpful to most of you. Please feel free to leave a comment, like the video, or subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you very much and have a great day, everyone.